Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a wonderful recipe. There are assortments of rice dishes, of which the royal biryanis have always been a favorite variety. Today we are going to prepare veg biryani for Bhoga offerings. This aromatic variety is a superb dish which has a fabulous flavor of marinated spiced vegetables combined with royally flavored rice to give a delicious, quick and creamy biryani. So let's begin. First take 2 cups of basmati rice. Add water. Wash and rinse it thoroughly. Now add some water and soak the rice for half an hour. Next, I have taken 2 cups of slenderly cut cabbage. Heat some oil and add the cabbage. Fry it until it turns golden and crispy on high flame. Do not fry it for too long that it turns black. Keep stirring or else it might burn. After 5 minutes you can see the change. This is perfect. Let's take it out in a bowl. Next, heat 2 liters of water for rice and it is boiling. Into this add 4 cardamom, add 2 kopek buds and 1 cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves and 1 star anise, 4 to 5 black pepper and 2 strands of mace, 2 cloves. Add 1 teaspoon shah jeera and 3 slices of lemon. Add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of oil. Stir it once and now add the soaked and drained rice. Give it a mix. These spices make the rice more flavorful. Now cook the rice up to 70 to 75% on medium flame. Meanwhile, we will marinate the vegetables. For this, add 1 cup 2 to 3 inches long beans in a mixing bowl. Add 2 inches long cut 1 cup carrots, 1½ cup cauliflower florets, ½ cup green peas, 1 chopped capsicum. Now add 1 cup of fresh curd. Add salt to taste, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon biryani pulao masala, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 slitted green chilies. Add ½ cup chopped coriander leaves, ½ cup chopped mint leaves and add ½ cup fried cabbage. Using a spoon, combine all this well, coating the veggies thoroughly. I had shared Biryani Pulao Masala previously. You can find its link in the description box below. Our marinated vegetables are ready. Keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's check out our rice. This have cooked up to 75%. Turn off the flame and now drain out all the water from the rice. Keep them aside. To cook the veg biryani, heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 3 cardamom and 2 cloves, 2 bay leaves and 2 strands of mace, 1 star anise and 4 to 5 black pepper, 1 teaspoon shah jeera and add 2 tomatoes puree. Saute all this for 2 minutes until the oil releases. After 2 minutes, the gravy is simmering. Now add the marinated vegetables. Mix all this well. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. Now cover the lid. Let this cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, let's check. The veggies have softened comparatively. Keep stirring in between. We will cook the vegetables for another 7 to 8 minutes. It has been total 15 minutes. Mix it. You can see the vegetables have cooked well. On this, add some fried cashews. Now spread the cooked spiced rice. Spread it all over the sabji. Top the rice with fried cashews, some mint leaves, I had soaked 7 to 8 saffron strands in 1/4 cup of hot milk for an hour. Pour it. Add 1 tablespoon of kevra water and this will give a wonderful flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. At last add the fried cabbage. Now cover the lid and let the biryani flavor and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, open the vessel. This is perfectly cooked and aromatic as well. Let's turn off the flame. Our veg biryani is ready. Let me show you. Let's offer it. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Our veg biryani is offered and ready. Do try it and let me know how it came for you. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.